Saan? 250 Urban Patient Transport Vehicle from to Kitsaraw District Hospital. Kitsaraw, sa Kitsaraw District Hospital. Ay dede, Kabadbaran District Hospital Patient Transport Vehicle from to Kabadbaran District Hospital. Okay, good time for this patient transport vehicle from to Kabadbaran District Hospital. Alright, there, no problem. Okay, good time. 5 4 3